Hey everyone, is your car refusing to start, or are you struggling with gear shifts in your manual transmission? Maybe you scanned your car and found P0832 Clutch Pedal Position CPP Switch B Circuit High. This issue can cause starting problems, affect cruise control, and even prevent smooth gear shifts. But don't worry, in this video we'll explain P0832, its symptoms, causes, and, most importantly, where to locate the key sensors to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0832? The P0832 trouble code is triggered when the ECU detects a high voltage signal from the clutch pedal position CPP switch B circuit. This switch is responsible for detecting when you press the clutch pedal, ensuring proper starting and gear shifts. Common symptoms of P0832. Car won't start unless you press the clutch multiple times. Difficulty shifting gears, especially in manual transmissions. Cruise control, not engaging or shutting off randomly. Check engine light cell is on engine stalling when shifting. If these issues sound familiar, let's locate the key sensors involved in this problem. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them. To fix P0832, check these critical components. Clutch pedal position, CPP, switch B, location, mounted on the clutch pedal assembly under the dashboard. Function. Detects when the clutch is pressed or released and sends signals to the ECU. ECU, engine control unit. Location, usually in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, receives signals from the clutch pedal switch and controls engine start and gear shifts. Wiring harness and connectors location. Runs from the clutch pedal switch to the ECU. Function, transfers electrical signals for clutch engagement detection. Fuse box and relays location, located inside the cabin, driver's side fuse box, or in the engine bay. Function, provides power to the clutch pedal switch circuit. Common causes of P0832, faulty clutch pedal position switch. B. The switch may be stuck in the open position, causing high voltage. Shorted or damaged wiring. A short in the circuit can cause excessive voltage readings. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A faulty fuse can send incorrect signals to the ECU. Clutch hydraulic issues. Problems in the hydraulic system can affect pedal movement and sensor response. ECU malfunction. In rare cases, a faulty ECU may misread signals from the clutch pedal switch. How to fix P0832? Step 1. Inspect the clutch pedal switch. B. Press and release the clutch pedal to check if the switch is working properly. If it's stuck, replace it. Step 2. Check the wiring harness and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires near the clutch pedal. Step 3. Test the fuse box and relays. If a fuse related to the clutch pedal circuit is blown, replace it. Step 4. Check clutch hydraulic system. Make sure the fluid levels are correct and there are no leaks. Step 5. Scan for additional codes. If other codes appear, they may indicate a deeper issue. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, reset the P0832 code and check if shifting improves. The P0832 code can cause your car to struggle with starting and shifting, but by checking the clutch pedal switch, wiring, fuses, and hydraulic system, you can fix it easily. Watch these related videos next. P0530 AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit malfunction. P0531 AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit range of performance. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.